Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Mayflower themed collaboration with a few of my friends, and the host is Food Makeup Skin, aka Laura Anna. And let me tell you the flowers I was inspired by because I don't remember, I forgot. But basically I use blues and purples. Those are like some of my favorite colors. Well, let's be honest, I like all the colors, but specifically for this look I wanted to use blues and purples. So I was inspired by the iris, anemone, wow, I said that correctly the first time, delphinium, and peony. Basically all the pinks and purples. Hydrangea, that's right. Basically, I just noticed every color on this image I'm showing you. Basically, I took inspiration from, but those are the main flowers I took inspiration from. So I did use two Huda Beauty palettes. Y'all know I love Huda Beauty. This is the Sapphire Obsessions and then the Amethyst Obsessions. I mainly used this one, but I did take a color or two from this one as well. So I will have links to all of the channels participating as well as all of the names on screen if I didn't already show you. And without further ado, if you'd like to see the look I created, keep watching. I'm starting off with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance as my primer. I'm mainly going to be using my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette today. I don't think I've ever fully done a look using this. I could be wrong. I totally forgot. But for the crease, I'm going to go in with this purple. None of these have names, so that would be why I'm not telling you what it's called, because the name is not existent.
I can explain.
So I'm going to take a crease brush. This is just one from Juvia's Place. It's a J127. It's nice and tapered. Next, I'm taking a brow highlight. This is a brush from Shein or Runway, I believe. I did a review on these brushes. I'll link the video down below if I remember to do it. If I don't, just let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to link it. I'm using this for my brow highlight. And for my brow highlight, I'm taking my MAC Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm gonna go ahead and do this while it's still easy to do and pull it down. And then go back in with the crease brush. You don't have to add more color unless you need to. I'm just blending that back upwards a little. For the lid, I'm taking this light shimmery color here. Actually, I think I want to go for the middle one. I'm going to take this one instead with a flat brush. This is just a low Cornell brush from Hobby Lobby. Very similar to the MAC 239. I'm gonna go ahead and take it all the way across. I normally don't do this, but I think I want to today. I'm touching up that color a little bit in the crease just to make sure I don't have any gaps. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep kind of like a light wash of color, not too vibrant, believe it or not, because I do plan on doing vibrant eyeliner. I could definitely do both, but I don't want to go too crazy. I'm just wearing eye makeup for the first time in the past 3 weeks because I had a horrible case of a blepharitis flare-up where I had a sty on the bottom of my eye and everything. It's actually gone, even though you still see a little bit of raised skin right here, but found out from my ophthalmologist, unfortunately, that it's scar tissue. I'm not going to show you the inside. It's kind of gross. Well, I'll show you. Trigger warning, if you don't want to see, skip ahead about 20 seconds, but you probably can't tell on camera, so it doesn't look as bad. But this side has a lot of redness. That side doesn't. It's basically all that happened, but you can see a little bit of raised skin, which you won't be able to tell anyway once I put concealer on, thankfully. So I don't need surgery or anything crazy like that, but it was really bad, trust me. Okay, moving on. Don't know. I think I'm gonna take this eyeliner at the bottom. This is the Revlon So Fierce Vinyl Eyeliner in Royal Rules. It's a royal blue. Hopefully I don't screw anything up with my eyes, but my ophthalmologist did tell me it's okay to wear eye makeup, so, and I'm not rushing the process. I was like, are you sure? He was like, yes, it's fine. Wait, your problem is not affected by makeup. I was like, okay, cool. Gosh, this color is so pretty, so affordable. You can find it right at the drugstore, so I love it. These vinyl eyeliners are awesome. Okay, so this is the tricky side. I just know my eyes are gonna start watering because my allergies are still acting up. Watering like crazy. I'm gonna set that bottom because it does smudge very easily. So I'm gonna set it with this bright blue from my Sapphire Obsessions palette. This is from Huda Beauty too. Similar in color, hopefully. Doesn't diminish the brightness. Don't think it will. So I'm gonna go in with a little more eyeliner. I think pull it down a little more. Because with this eyeliner, if you wait too long, it's stuck, basically. You have to kind of move fast with it. It's very creamy, but it stays put very easily and very quickly. Oh no, too low. That's about good enough for this. Now I'm gonna do some bold liner at the top. I really hope this is not too matchy. I think it will be, so I'm going to take this bold retro liner from Glam Vice. This is Go-Go Boots. It's not, I mean, it's gonna be bold. I hope. We'll see. Taking a couple drops of MAC mixing medium to activate this. You can also use water. It's practically the same thing. Well, I'm not gonna say that, but you know, it basically is. This is a Morphe liner brush, angled. So that's straighter than I anticipated, but I'm okay with it. We'll rock with it. I just hope I can get the other side to match. We'll try our best, our bestest. Of course, it's not the same. I'll clean it with concealer later. Now, I'm gonna move on to mascara at the top. Using my Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara. I'm taking these lashes I got from my local beauty supply store. These are from I Envy. These are the L Curl #2 lashes. They are so wispy. That's what attracted me to them. Basically, they're like permed lashes. That's the look that they have. Here's what they look like without the case. Ooh, me like it. Okay, foundation. First, I'm gonna put on a face primer. I should have done this long before now, but hopefully it dries quickly. This is the Laura Mercier Hydrating Foundation Primer. I'm trying to use this up, so I'm forcing myself to use it today. I have so many foundation primers, so many. Because it's hydrating and I'm always ashy, put the rest on my body. Why not? I'm gonna get that time to set a little bit. Really nothing else I could do, right? Okay. Set. Okay, I'm gonna take some liquid foundation. I'm mixing two together. We're getting there. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Marquises and my Vula, the Serum Foundation in shade number 8. I take 1 pump of each because this is very close to my foundation color. So I don't need to darken it too much, but I am trying to still use this up, so there's that. Shaking this up a lot because it's a serum foundation. It's very liquidy, but I love it. It feels so good on the skin. Actually, I've already put them on the back of my hand, but before I do that, I'm gonna touch up hyperpigmentation here. This is the Maybelline Dream Brightening Creamy Concealer in 60 Deep. It's basically the same exact color as my skin. So I'm going on my spots with this for extra coverage. This works really well for this purpose, actually. See, it matches my skin almost flawlessly. Going around my nose too, because I tend to blow my nose a lot. And I need extra coverage there. Allergies. I'm taking a concealer brush. This is from Sedona Lace 312 to blend it out. And it covers really well. You see that? Of course, I'm going on top of foundation, but this helps so I don't have to put so many layers of foundation on, which I don't do anyway, but you know. Have a bit of redness going on around here. Now I'm gonna mix that foundation with this random foundation brush. Go closely around my eyes. Cleaning up the eyeliner I said I would do. And I'm taking what's left and going around where I need the extra coverage. Going a little closer to my lash line, just because. I'm gonna take a little more liner. I need to layer a little more on. Basically, I forgot, this is not an eyeliner you can really set. It will skip. If you do that, I simply went in with a liner. I'm not putting anything on top. Now that I'm done with foundation, I need to do concealer. I totally forgot. This is my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Medium Dark 38. I might take my Maybelline Magic Eraser right now. We'll see. Pulling that down, then blending out with my foundation brush. I'm taking this color in my Sapphire Obsessions palette, this one here. Something's on my mouth. This is going into my tear duct. I'm going to set that with my medium plus mineralized skin finish. Everywhere I highlighted, basically, or concealed, both. It's going to help keep that area bright and also set it in place. I'm going to set the entire face with my ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder in medium deep. This is just a Juvia's Place J123 Tapered Blush. Oh, I'm supposed to use it for blush. Oh well. I'm going to use it for this today. Mascara on the bottom. Big Papa mascara. Again, from Wet n Wild. This is my MAC Sun Power Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm using this as a bronzer. I'm actually going to clean the same brush I use for setting powder. I'm going to use this. This is nice and tapered, and I feel like it'll be good for a contour. We'll see. Yes, it is. Try to keep it on the tips. Wow, it's actually perfect for that. Going around the perimeter of my face as I normally do. It worked out better than I thought it would. For cheek highlight, this is MAC Superb Extra Dimension Skin Finish. It's very superb. Just saying. Off fan brush to highlight with. For blush, what happened to my eyebrow in the process? See that ugly microbladed color? I hate my microbladed brows. Did it again. When I tell y'all I hate how my microbladed brows turned out over time, I do not recommend. I'll probably never do it again. This is the Milani Powder Blush in Coral Cove. It's a gorgeous blush color. This is just a cheap old no-name blush brush. Just putting some there. Apples on my cheeks only. Kind of pulling it back a little bit to blend it. Ah, hair in my eye. I mean, in my eye. Oh my God. If I'm not having enough problems with my eyes already, that happens. Oh God. Lips. This should be interesting. I think the flower I'm going to take inspiration from is the Anemone, which is like this color here. Gorgeous. This is a Lychee ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. For you, I'm always down, 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 down. We could burn it down, 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 down. We could burn it down, 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 down. I definitely enjoyed creating this makeup look inspired by Mayflowers. Be sure to check out all the other ladies' looks, including the host, Laura Anna, or Food Makeup Skin, that's her name, Laura Anna. But I had so much fun creating this. I love the colors. Y'all know I love color. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any videos I post. Talk to you soon. Links to everyone else's videos will be down below. Talk soon. Thanks for watching. We could burn it down, 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 down. We could burn it down, 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 down. Look at what we found, 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 found.